Hello and welcome to the Dream Sounds Bits and Pieces Visual Jam. Quite a while ago we had the Music Jam where we asked people to remix the One Ton radio album Bits and Pieces in any way that they liked, and we had all of these amazing remixes here. Now we have asked some visual artists to take these songs and just do something else with them. And we've had all of these submissions here and I'm super excited to dive into them. We're going to start off with the first of two submissions to the evening from Tricobalt. This first one is called Rain, and it uses music from Classy Creeper 02. At the heart of Night City, sometimes things can get a little noir. That is beautiful, incredible use of the music in such a scene. It had great callbacks to previous Tricobalt videos made for previous jams such as Emerald Swing and I Don't Know Why as well, with the puppets lying in the dumpster and the Emerald Swing nightclub. Like, that's really cool, and I can only imagine how, like, specifically the three of those scenes can now fit together within a potential verse 2. Or similar. Tricobalt does of course have this album here containing, like, you know, a whole selection of their entries to this jam up till a certain point, and it is great how they sort of theme them together in different groups as well to tell a cohesive narrative. That's super cool, Tricobalt, thank you for entering the jam, that's awesome. Now we move on to a submission from Quizan. This is the first of multiple, I believe, and this first one is Easter Egg Treasure Trove. The music is from GeoGoat, made for the jam, and it uses an Easter egg template from Irish Mile, which anyone can take and fill with any sort of surprise for people this Easter. Let's check it out. Okay, so here we go. It's straightforward, right? We're gonna press square to open our egg. So far, so pleasant.
Egg, 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 egg,
Amazing, right? Absolutely amazing. That is a little Easter surprise from Quizam using music from Geo. And I just wonder how many people were expecting the devil egg and the metal. And I have to say, people are enjoying it, so that's good. Quizam, that's an awesome entry to the jam, and thank you for entering the jam. We now move on to another entry from Quizam. This time it's Connie's Marshmallow Dash. This uses music from Sock Wielder and Jay Yoder, made for the jam. And yeah, we're going to try and get a score. I've not played this before. I see Sinok has. Let's see how we do here. Let's have a bit of a Marshmallow Dash. Let's do it. It's exciting. It's exciting. Flip. It's exciting. I'm not satisfied with this start, but this is amazing use of the music, I have to say. I never thought I'd be running around as Connie in a Marshmallow world listening to this, you know what I mean? It's amazing. It's what the jam's all about. Oh my god. Flippin' G, it is hard, isn't it? Or is it just me? Do I still need to warm up my hands? Did I not play enough Gaia Hawk? Oh, G. Right, we're going again. Oh, I thought for a moment there that I might beat Sinok, but no. And I know it's because I never picked up the double boost, but I did beat the goal time of 50 seconds, and I'm happy with that. I'm going to go back and set a faster time in the future, but I'm happy to beat that goal time. Look at that. Sick. That is amazing, Quizam. Thank you for entering the jam. Really cool. We now move on to a submission from Sinok the Hodgehog, and this is Lobsters with Lipstick. It uses music by Death Venus Blue. Thank you for entering the jam. I'm excited to check it out. Let's go.
I wanted to get into a band, so me and some cockroaches bought some rock coaches, played, ripped off a dope-ass pop songs and lofted up to the top of the charts like a skyrocket, then dropped like some acid just as fast, like a 15 minutes never even lasted. All got plastered cause we were depressed, tried to regroup and address what went wrong. Why did we only make a one-hit wonder when we made 38 other much better songs? After 30 seconds, everyone's attention is gone. Hit start to select something else and see what's next. What's wrong? Are you not entertained? Are you not impressed? Me and my fellow insects, we dressed up best. And everyone's trying to express the deepest regrets to us like we never even existed. Did we all happen to die or something? If so, I must have missed it. This world gets so twisted. Peacocks with Reeboks and lobsters with lipstick. lobsters with lipstick.
Amazing. Such storytelling throughout, like using the items that are all referenced within the song. And then the way it climaxes with lobsters with lipstick as well. It's been a long time since I actually heard that song, probably since the jam itself. And I forgot how it climaxes at the end there. That is magnificent. A fitting visual. It's wonderful. Thank you, Sanok. And you come up with different things every week as well, you know, which is cool. There's variety there. The Mega Dangers last week was amazing, like sort of photography session, you know, almost. It was amazing. And yeah, thanks for entering the jam. We now move on to Yellow Belly from Forever Echo. This uses music from Kimaraki, and it allowed Forever Echo to practice some scene design, and they say that this feels like a place where you might want to escape to. Thank you for entering the jam, Forever Echo. Let's check this out. Really cool, Forever Echo, and it's great to see you take some steps into like scene design, and it's a wonderful piece, and it fits the music lovely. It's a hopeful scene, and the music's also quite hopeful, and it's really cool. And people can take like these, you know, all these community jams, and just use them as chances to sort of experiment with things or practice with things. It's a great opportunity to just sort of, you know, try your hand at various things. And thanks for entering the jam. That's really cool. We now move on to a submission from Topaz Mackie. This is Rock, Paper, Scissors, Rumble. And it uses the song Alone and Tired, remixed by Geo Goat. It's a game. It's got a scoreboard. I've not played it yet. I'm excited to check this out. Let's see what sort of championship score I can get. I'm doing well so far. Oh no. Oh no, they brought it back. This music's epic to it as well. Oh, I got beat. Purple Rain kicked my ass. Here we go. I'm just not cut out to be a champion, am I? I'm not cut out to be a rock paper champion. But it's really cool. It's a great way to enter the jam and to use the music as well. It's a great little game. One last try. Here we go. Well, I got a higher score. I'm not designed to be a rock, paper, scissors, rumble champion, it appears. I'm going to have to go back to it. Score of 17,000 from Pear Jam 9 there. The luck is really on their side. It reminds me of playing Alex Kidd on the Master System as a little boy, and some of the bosses in that were like rock, paper, scissors fights. And I could like get through like most of the game without losing any lives, like the actual, game. And then I'd just lose all my lives in a rock, paper, scissors battle. And it's like, oh, come on. But as a jam entry and as a Dreams game, this is marvellous. That was just a flashback to my childhood. I was never destined to be a rock, paper, scissors champion. Topaz Mackie, thank you for entering the jam. That is marvellous. And I'm going to have to go back to get higher on the scoreboard. Really cool. Now, we move on to another submission from Kazam. This uses music from Impotent Mink in J order, and it's called Laundry Room. And it's just a little laundry room to hang out in while you wait on your laundry. Here we go.
I don't want your garments in my basket. Get them out, get them out, get them out, get them out. I don't want your girl clothes mixing with my guy clothes. Get them out, my small pepper. Don't want to put temper on relationships, so get your shit on my small pepper. So why don't you skip her to the laundromat and you can buy your own small pepper. Small pebble, small pebble, small pebble. I don't want your garments in my basket. Get them out, get them out, get them out, get them out. Like I don't want your girl clothes mixing with my guy clothes. Get them out, my small pebble. Don't want to put temper on relationships, so get your shit on my small pebble. So why don't you skip her to the laundromat and you can buy your own small pebble, small pebble, small pebble, small pebble, small pebble. I don't want your garments in my relationship. So don't you sit on my small hammer. So why don't you step into the laundromat and you can buy your own small hammer, small hammer, small hammer, small hammer.
Marvelous. It's just wonderful putting the lyrics of the song to such a scene, and it's great seeing Nioke's Connie's getting used in a little Cuthbert, and the alligator / crocodile coming out of the toilet. Just the whole thing is marvellous. Kazam, thank you for entering the jam. We now move on to a submission from Mr. Robot in It One. This is Alone and Tired. And Mr. Robot in It One, thank you for entering the jam. Let's go. Marvellous for Mr. Robot in It One, and with the added effect at the end as well. This character here might be a little bit more than just alone and tired. He might also be like terrified of the flying squid things going around his head with the massive teeth. I don't know, but it's really cool. Mr. Robot in It One, that works perfect. Thank you for entering the jam. That's really cool scene, and it does sum it all up. It's amazing. Now we move on to a submission from Sackboy XR8. This is Main Arena Light Show Pilot. This is made for the jam. They say they've turned it into a fireworks show. The song used is Anybody by Chabluj. And also, if you like this, you'll get an invitation to the Sackboy XR8 show 2022 to showcase yourself. So there's an incentive to give it a thumbs up. Excited to check this out. Sackboy XR8, thank you for entering the jam. Let's go. Okay, warning, this video contains some flashing lights. If you do suffer from that, maybe look away for a few moments. I'll let you know audibly when it's okay.
There's a party. There's a party. There's a killer. Could be anybody. There's a party. There's a killer. Could be anybody. Could be anybody. There's a body. There's a body.
Could be anybody.
Could be anybody.
Okay, that's amazing. Sackboy XR8, thank you for entering the jam. That is possibly the most sinister fireworks show that I've ever been to in my entire life, but it's amazing. We've got this big empty arena and a song about how there could be a killer, there's a body, and the fireworks are going off and it's dark, and that is a proper, like, interesting horror experience. That's really cool. The contrast between the celebration of the fireworks and everything else. That's amazing, Sackboy. Thank you for entering the jam. Now, we move on to what I believe is our final entry of the evening, and it's something quite special from Tricobalt, as Tricobalt entries often are. This is Eternal, Everything Is Here, featuring music from Rate Summit Mai and Inipo 9. And here we go. Like this being wandered the verse for an eon, finding nothing like itself, and then it found an answer. I did have a sneak peek at this earlier on, and it's just incredible. Strap yourselves in. Here we go. Tricobalt, thank you for entering the jam. That is amazing. Just the visuals there, the storytelling, the whole thing is amazing. I honestly don't know how Dragobalt does it, to come up with all the ideas and execute them in such quick succession. Like even just like these here, right, coming off, like, to me these are like paper airplanes, right? And it's like the way they move, the way, I don't know, it's just amazing. Yeah, just wow. Trackabout, amazing job. Thank you for entering the jam. Now I'm going to go and check my notifications, but I do believe that might be us at the end of the jam. Here we go. And yes, I can confirm that does take us to the end of the jam. So I have to say, amazing job everyone. Like, firstly, the musicians who of course took part in the initial music jam to create this music, but of course also the people who took part in tonight's video jam as well. You've all done an amazing job celebrating and showing love to this music, and giving it more of an audience within dream surfing, and it's absolutely amazing. Thank you everyone. And we're now going to move on to find out what next week's video jam is going to be. Here we go, let's do it.